On cleaning up one of these. I'm going to start cleaning up the Rinaldi for my daughter, and see how we go from there. So there'll be another little video of that coming up soon. Oh, thanks. Well, welcome back. The Rinaldi. I just gave it a quick buff on this to make sure it wasn't going to do too much damage. Now, since it's only got very light pitting, well, almost, it's just surface rust basically. I'm not, until I get it down clean, I'm not going to use the sanding belt. On the inside, I will use sandpaper in my hand or another tool. But we'll give this a go and see how it all buffs out. I won't take you through the whole journey because it makes a lot of noise. Well, that's just a quick run over on how nice it comes out. Don't think I'll take it too much further, but I won't take it on the whole journey, but you know what you're up for now, so I'll get back to you. That's taken all of about 10 minutes to clean that up. Still got a bit of pitting and stuff on there, some scale on it, but I will run it over with a very light over the linisher just to take out the deep little pits, some of the markings on the back, just so I can polish it up quite nicely. Okay, got a fresh 320 grit sanding belt. Just going to give it a quick lick over, take off some of the high points, just to clean it up a bit more. I won't take it too far, but I'll be doing most of it under here where it's slack. It should turn out pretty well. I won't take it long for the whole ride, but just so you know what I'm doing. Oh, that's come up pretty good. There's actually some scale that's been pounded into the steel, which unless I go really deep I won't get out. But considering my daughter's going to have this to hack around It's pretty good. Going to give it another light buff and a quick polish. Just got to clean up the inside. Turned out pretty well. Well, I've just gone over that with one of the Scotch-Brite grey belts, and that is so smooth, hot, but bloody smooth. I won't bother giving it a polish or anything. I'll just make the handle for it and then sharpen, but that is almost glass smooth. Yeah. Okay, well, that's come up. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, just need to sharpen and in there cleaned. When these were originally made, they did actually have just a dead straight shaft of a handle for sliding in and out of packs, carrying, stuff like that, nice and easy. What I've decided to do is cannibalise my Holtzberg's axe. The handle up here is stuffed, so no good. But from about there down, it's perfect. Few little cracks, few little surface marks, but the axe itself just needs a good sand and an oil. So, length of that and that. Now, that's going to be fun to do. So that's what my next job is. Cut this off, clean it up, make sure it is okay to use. If it is, I'll go ahead and put on this. If not, I'll make another one. Well, scraping it off with, believe it or not, just a ruler. Does a fantastic job. Doesn't take too much off, just takes off the surface crap. But I'm hating to say there is a lot of stress cracks, and it's probably not going to be the best, even though it's only going to be a lightweight axe. I will keep going with it. It's only got a little bit more to go. I'll see how it goes once it's oiled, is if it swells up again or not. But I think this might be a throwaway and start again job. Okay, giving a quick scrape down. The actual core looks pretty good. It might just be surface checking. It doesn't look like it's probably 1/2 millimetre deep, so it might come out with a decent sand. Still a solid handle. I thought it would have been cracked all the way through, but not. Just about to throw some boiled linseed oil on it. Let it soak for a couple of hours. Give it another couple of coats and see how it is. Well, handle's turned out pretty good. I've had to do a different shape because of the socket. It actually wedges on nicely. There's actually a tapered wedge from the other end, so it actually slides the handle in from the top down, the bottom wedges in, then you put a wedge in the top. Couldn't be bothered doing that, so I've shaped that to the right shape. I will put a wedge in there to spread it out, and then another wedge in the front. That will lock it all into place, and once it's done, that'll be a very nice little axe. But I'll get back to it when I've got some more stuff to try.